Hi guys, today we're gonna open this Little Kingdom Jasmine and its city Sparrow, and I'm wearing this because my daddy wanted it tonight because Lebron James, and now we're gonna open this. We're gonna keep the background. You told me not to look the background. So my mommy's helping me, and so they won last night, so I had to wear this to church. More. And now let's open the doll up. Let me get my scissors. Mommy, I got the crown off. So let's get this all out. Mommy, can I please keep the rubber band on her hair? Mommy, I can't find the crown. This beautiful crown on her. And now. Gosh, this diamond is not working. Looks beautiful. And then let's get her skirt ready. I don't know. I'm trying to introduce them to her. Okay, she's done. She looks beautiful, guys. What do you think? Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow.